Hey, Michelle here. In this video, we're going to break down one of the most crucial parts of building a successful tool on the Apify platform, creating a high-quality README. First, a quick refresher. Apify is where developers build and publish tools for web scraping and automation. These tools are called actors. Now, the store is already full of great actors, so if you're building your own, you want it to grab attention and clearly show its value. That's exactly what a strong README does. It can make the difference between a tool that gets noticed and one that gets overlooked. When we talk about a README on the Apify platform, we don't just mean a technical guide for developers. In Apify Store, your README is a public detail page for your actor. It's your landing page. Think of it as your pitch to a potential user. A great README explains what your project does, why it's useful, how users can get started with it, and where they can find help. A well-crafted README serves at least 4 critical functions. Discoverable online. A README that's well-structured with the right keywords has a high chance of ranking on Google, bringing in motivated users through organic search. First impression. A clear and convincing README can be the deciding factor that persuades a user to try your actor. Extended instructions. This is a space to explain complex input settings or special formatting that might not fit elsewhere. Support Hub. Users will come back to your README for troubleshooting tips, links to tutorials, or to learn about known bugs. So, what should you include? Let's go through the structure that has worked for many developers in the community. Start with a clear 2 or 3 sentence explanation of what your actor does and what data it can extract. List its main features and highlight the advantages of using it on the Apify platform, such as monitoring, API access, scheduling, and proxy rotation. Include a simple step-by-step guide on how to use your actor. This is reassuring for users and can even be optimized for Google search results. Be upfront about costs. Web scraping costs can be unpredictable, so it's important to set clear expectations with your users about pricing and scraping volumes. Explain what a user can get on a free plan and talk about the average amount of data that can be scraped for a given price. This helps users compare your solution to others on the market. This is one of the most clicked sections in any README. Show users what the input looks like, often with a simple screenshot of an input schema. Then provide a sample of the output data, either as another screenshot or a JSON example. If you've built other tools, promote them. Create a list or table to interconnect your work, as the store's automatic recommendations might not always show other actors from the same creator. Remember that users often run complex workflows on the Apify platform. If your solutions are complementary, you could and should mention actor integration options. Use this section for everything else. Disclaimers on legality, troubleshooting tips, and information about the Issues tab, where users can give feedback. This is also a great place to let users know how to contact you for custom solutions. Now, let's look at some tips on how to format your README and make the most out of your marketing efforts. Your README must be written in Markdown, but you can also use basic HTML for things like tables or resizing images. The tone should match your target audience. If your actor is for users with no coding skills, avoid technical jargon and speak in regular terms. If it requires technical knowledge, like using glob patterns or selectors, make that clear from the start to attract the right users. Although we went over the suggested structure in the previous chapter, you might ask, which section should I put most effort into? Data shows that most first-time visitors don't scroll past the first 25% of a README. This means the top quarter of your page is your prime real estate to convince a visitor to try your actor. Remember, your README is a landing page in the eyes of Google. Use H2 and H3 headings to structure your content, as these make up the table of contents and can appear in Google search results. Do some keyword research and feed those terms naturally into your headings and text. Finally, adding images, GIFs, and videos can work wonders. You can even make images clickable to lead users to a sign-off page. And if you have a video tutorial, just paste the YouTube URL on its own line. It will automatically embed and can help your page rank higher in Google. And that's it! Building a quality README is an investment that pays off by attracting more users, reducing support questions, and helping your actor succeed. If you want to learn more, make sure to check out our guide on how to create an actor README. You'll find it along with other relevant links in this video's description. We also recommend joining Apify's Discord, where you can discuss any actor building topics with other Apify creators. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. So long, and thanks for all the likes.